Pero Doc, like for example, yung this one, I think swelling po siya, no?
Yung ito po actually, swelling na siya. Pero in reality, what I always try to do is, makikita nyo kasi maraming mga clinic, ang ginagawa lang dito lang on top. The reason why I put here and here is for us to have a fake nose line na mamimake sure namin after 1 week when we show you, mas magbumukha siyang natural and mas magbe-blend in siya. Ngayon medyo matigas pa siya since threads yung linagay. Pero yung fake nose line na yan yung magbibigay sa'yo ng parang illusion na you are actually having a higher nose bridge. Ayan. So, another procedure for today is we will be enhancing her nose in 15 minutes.